Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and today I'm gonna teach you the barrel windmill. So it's like a windmill but without using your hands. You use your hands like that instead than going to the freeze. The difference between the barrel windmill and a normal windmill, beside the hands, it's also that you spin faster. So the first thing that you require for the barrel windmill is a really fast windmill, a really fluid windmill. And the main difference is that in the normal windmill you bounce your legs like that, and with this movement, when you bounce your legs, you can also go higher and you can connect the windmill with other moves. But the purpose of the barrel windmill is to spin faster, so you don't have to bounce your legs, but you have to keep them like this, not like that, but with your hips high. I cannot do it without spinning, but push your hips up and your legs more straight, not towards you, but more straight. In this way, you're gonna be able to spin faster. Then I recommend you to wear a hat, because your head should be on the ground the whole time. And if you never wear a hat, maybe you will burn your hair. And make sure also when you do the windmill, I see that mistake very frequently. Many people do that mistake. They don't use the head properly. You should make sure that when you do the windmill from the freeze to the back, you touch with your head on the ground. So not like that. You see, my head is up. This is very wrong for the barrel windmill. Because if you do that while you're doing the barrel windmill, you will hurt your head all the time and you will not be able to spin faster. But you should practice this from the freeze. Go to the back, but with the head on the floor. You see? Like that. Make sure your head is on the floor. If it's too hard for you, just practice it without lifting up your legs. So, just like that. From here to here, with the legs down. Practice that many times. From freeze to the back with your head on the ground. Then practice it with the legs up, like that. And then try to do more windmills with this form, with your head always on the ground. Then try to do it faster and faster. I show you some rounds. Okay, whoa. And then when you are able to do this, you can start practicing the barrel windmill. It's the same as this windmill, just push your arms like that. Or some people also used to bend more the arms and push more with the shoulders like that. It's kind of like the same, doesn't really matter. Just push like that all the time. And make sure to not bounce your legs so much. I also notice some people, they bend a little bit the legs. If the more you bend the legs, the more you will gain momentum for the barrel windmill. So you can maybe start like a normal windmill with the legs straight, and then when you gain momentum and when you are able to push, just bend your legs a little bit like this, and then you will spin even faster. And just push all the time. I'm gonna show you a few rounds. I didn't warm it up, so I don't know if it will look good, but I will try. Whew. Whoa! Okay, ninjas. Yeah. So that's basically it. If you want more tutorials, links in the description. Also my merch, if you are interested, check it in the description. Thanks to Rose Punch. Yeah. Also his links in the description. And see you in the next video. Peace!